Imagine a world where unseen forces guide every decision you make. These forces, known as power dynamics, are everywhere, subtly influencing our interactions and choices. Today, we'll uncover these hidden powers and learn how to harness them. Power dynamics are not just abstract concepts, they shape our professional and personal lives. By understanding the 6 bases of power, you can unlock new levels of influence and navigate your world more effectively. Legitimate power stems from a recognized role or position, like a judge or manager. This authority is granted by society, allowing individuals to lead and make decisions that impact others. Using your position effectively means inspiring and guiding others. By understanding the responsibilities that come with legitimate power, you can lead with integrity and foster trust within your team. Reward power is the ability to offer benefits or perks, motivating others to achieve goals. It's a powerful tool in driving performance and encouraging desired behaviors. However, it's crucial to balance rewards with expectations. Over-reliance on incentives can lead to entitlement, so understanding the dynamics of reward power is key to maintaining motivation. Coercive power involves the ability to punish or create fear. While it can enforce compliance, it often comes with ethical implications and can damage relationships. Recognizing the negative effects of coercion is essential. By managing and mitigating these impacts, you can maintain a positive environment while still achieving necessary outcomes. Expert power is derived from skills, knowledge, or expertise. This form of power commands respect and can significantly influence decisions and outcomes. Building and showcasing your expertise is crucial. By continuously learning and sharing your knowledge, you can enhance your influence and contribute meaningfully to your field. Referent power is based on charisma, respect, or admiration. It's the ability to inspire and lead others through personal qualities and relationships. Cultivating your charisma involves authenticity and empathy. By connecting with others on a personal level, you can harness referent power to create lasting impact and drive change. Informational power comes from controlling access to information. It's a critical factor in shaping perceptions and influencing decisions. Effective management and sharing of information can enhance your influence. By being transparent and strategic, you can guide others and foster informed decision-making. We've explored the 6 bases of power and their unique influences. Understanding these powers is crucial for ethical and responsible use, ensuring positive outcomes in your environment. By mastering these powers, you can drive positive change. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, and using it wisely can transform your world. Recap: legitimate, reward, coercive, expert, referent, and informational powers each offer unique ways to influence and lead. Together, they form a comprehensive toolkit for navigating complex dynamics. Takeaway: by understanding and applying these powers, you'll enhance your ability to lead and inspire. Embrace these tools to create a more positive and impactful environment. Call to action: reflect on the powers you possess and how you can use them for good. Start today by identifying one area where you can apply these insights to make a difference. Together, let's harness the power within us to shape a better world. Your journey to influence and leadership begins now. Take the first step and watch the transformation unfold.